just a couple times. Why do we fall in love so easily? It's not right. Where there is desire, there is gonna be a flame. Where there is a flame, someone's bound to get burned. But just because it burns doesn't mean you're gonna die. You gotta get up and try, try, try. 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 Where there is desire, there is gonna be a doesn't make you wanna cry when you're out there doing what you're doing.